Hi DIYers, I'm Rowena from the DIY team, and today we're going to be drawing an animal that loves to fly and lives in the trees. Any guesses? It uses sticks to make nests and lays eggs. That's right, it's a bird. Let's draw a bird together. Okay, so again, we're going to start with a dot in the middle of the page, just so we know what we're working with. Now, to draw our bird, I'm actually going to start with the eye this time. So just above my dot, slightly to the left, I'm going to draw a small circle like so. Then I'm going to draw the body of my bird. I'm going to the left of it and I'm drawing a circle around the eye, extend the line a bit and bring it down with a gentle curve just like that. Once you reach a point, I would say a third of the way down the page, bring that line back up and round into this kind of shape. We're then going to go from the bottom of this shape and draw a big semicircle shape like that. To join these two together, we're going to go like this, which might look a little weird, but then you're going to draw a pointy cone shape like so, and that forms a bird's beak. Now we're going to go back down to this wing. See where this curved line is? Put your pen there and draw a line going to the corner of the page. Don't go all the way down, just about there is enough. And then we're going to go up again. Now I'm going to draw a line like that up there, but you don't have to. You can see we've got our bird. I'm going to draw two lines like this, and then three curved lines coming off, and that is our bird's feet. And now we're ready to colour in. I'm going to do my bird blue, but there's all sorts of different types and colours of birds. Okay, and to finish off our bird, I'm going to draw some feather-like shapes, which you can do if you like, but you don't have to. Then I'm just going to go in with my white pen and create some highlights. It's a little bit dirty. Okay, this bit needs to be cut out for sure. All right, and there's our bird finished. I'd love to know which colour you did. What breed of bird did you draw? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos. You can also head to DIY.org to access fun, creative tools, watch courses on loads of different subjects, and share your creations with a community of like-minded kids. Thanks for watching, see you next time.